Awakening is life.
When I googled for the word mindfulness, Zen Guru once asked one of his disciples to we live in the mind concocted dreamy world. We can develop this mindfulness by practicing.
You are watching Mighty Mindfulness serial.
I was amazed to see 4 billion hits when I googled for the word mindfulness in the year of 2023. Mindfulness is ubiquitous. It is found across all kinds of domains such as schools, colleges, hospitals, business, industries, army, prison, sports, and so on. Around 25,000 research articles are published in mindfulness alone. Over 500 million people are practicing mindfulness every day. Mindfulness business, including the mindfulness halls, studios, centers, classes, books, videos, websites, blogs, apps, etc. exploded over $5 billion globally. All this hype and popularity is due to the plethora of physical, psychological, emotional and spiritual benefits. Above all, it is one of the most important meditations in Zen. And therefore, I am introducing the new serial called Mighty Mindfulness.
To get this series of videos, click the subscribe button and the like button below this video.
A Zen Guru once asked one of his disciples to go and see what is there in a locked room. The disciple went, opened the door and peeped into the room. He came back and said, "There is nothing in the room." The Guru asked, "Have you switched on the light and checked?" The disciple went again, opened the room, switched on the light and looked into the room. He came back and said, "There are many things in the room." Everybody was surprised. Then the Guru asked, "What are the things that you have seen there?" The disciple said, "Oh, I have forgotten that." He went back again for the 3rd time, carefully analyzed the things in the room. He came back and said, "There are many chairs, tables, and even wooden articles." This is how we live normally. We are living in darkness. Our senses are all blunt. Hence we see nothing. Mindfulness is like a switching on the light. Even then, we tend to forget what we have seen.
இது காலங்களை கடந்து வாழ எல்லையில்லா எழில் வழி காணொளி அலைவரிசை.
We are all like newborn babies. Our eyes are closed naturally. We live in the mind concocted dreamy world. If at all we open our eyes, it is momentary and we tend to forget what we have seen or glimpsed. We never enjoy the magnificence and grandeur of the ever-changing dynamic reality. Mindfulness is awakening. It is seeing the reality as it is without any interpretation of our mind. The original Pali language word for mindfulness is sati, which implies pre-conceptual and pre-symbolic first-hand experience. We can develop this mindfulness by practicing anapanasati, which means awareness of our breath. We shall dive deep into the ocean of mindfulness to learn many different dimensions of mindfulness in the upcoming videos in this serial.
Thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe it. Share it with your friends and groups. Register your valuable comments in YouTube.